Hello and welcome to Scriptcase by me, Jamie. That is me, that is my name. And in this series of videos, I'm going to show you how fast you can create really simple applications within Scriptcase. Because yes, Scriptcase is amazing. You can create applications as quick as you can click your fingers. So I'm not even going to put time frames because it really is in the seconds. Okay, so to create a new application, and if I want to create a form, I just click New Application, select the form, choose the table for which I want to create the form, and click Create. It is that simple. And just like that, and just as fast as that, have we created a brand new form that is connected to a database table that represents all of the customer information that is related and available to me there. And you see, it is generating the source code and is going to then run the form application for me all within a few seconds. And there we go. Just like that, we have a form created for you, for anybody, for your customer, for your client, whatever it may be for. It is so damn easy. And that is it. Check out the next video where we're going to see how fast it is to create maybe another application.